Hello and welcome to Adam and Craig Do Stuff, where today we're doing the Black Mirror. Hello and welcome to Adam and Craig Do Stuff, where today we're doing the Black Mirror Labyrinth at Thorpe Park.
We're here to check out their new Black Mirror Labyrinth, which they've just recently opened after it was postponed last year. So we're pretty excited for that. We've not tried to read too much on it or read any reviews, just because we don't want any spoilers.
Social media is a nightmare, isn't it? You just
yeah.
have to be like, no.
So we've been trying to avoid everything like that, just so it's a surprise for us. You do have to book on a time slot, so ours is at 1 o'clock. So until then, we're going to see what rides we can get on. It looks like it's going to be a pretty busy day.
Absolutely rammed.
Yeah. So I imagine there's going to be pretty high queue times at the minute. But yeah, we'll just see how we get on, really. Just 10 minutes now until our slot in the Black Mirror maze opens, so we're pretty excited for that. We've managed to get on a few rides, but it is massive everywhere at the moment. Yeah. I mean, we managed to get on Saw before it exceeded an hour, so that was good. And then we did Walking Dead, because we never did it last year. And we did Rumba Rapids, which was both low queues, but compared to...
I think we're going to struggle to get any of the big stuff today.
Yeah, because even the flat rides are over an hour now.
I mean, Colossus, last time we checked, was 130 minutes, and that's not happening. That's not happening at all.
No.
So hopefully they'll drop through like half an hour, 20 minutes later, but I doubt it. But we'll see. Anyway, really excited for Black Mirror. Really excited for Black Mirror. We love the TV show, so I can't wait to see what they've done. I don't really understand how they're going to translate it into a walkthrough attraction, but I can't wait to see what they've done. Ah!
Yeah.
So there we go. We've just come out of the Black Mirror. There we go. We've just come out of the Black. Oh my God! There we go. We've just come out of the Black Mirror Labyrinth. What did you think?
It was okay. Some of the effects that they used in there was good, but I did find it a little bit underwhelming, to be honest. I did expect it to be better than what it was.
I expected it to be. I think it needs to be longer. I feel that there's a lot of build-up and anticipation, and it ends quite quickly, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah,
it does.
But the effects at the beginning are amazing. I've never seen. I don't want to spoil anything, but I've never seen anything like that before. Well, we've seen technology like that. We haven't seen it used in that way. Let's put it that way. It was really good.
Yeah.
I was really disorientated in there.
Oh yeah, that bit was good actually.
It's not a labyrinth.
Yeah.
Because there are dead ends in there, so that technically makes it a maze, but we'll brush over that. I think it's a lot better at the moment because you're only in your own groups, so there's just the two of us.
Yeah, I think if there was more groups in there, it would be a lot harder.
Yeah.
Like to keep apart and...
Yeah. And I think it's a lot better at the moment because you are just secluded, which is the same. I mean, we had this for like all the Halloween events because we were on our own. They were a lot better.
Yeah, I don't think it's something I'd really want to visit every time I came, to be honest. I think it's one of them things that once you've done it,
Same with Darren Brown, really.
Yeah.
Once you've done it a couple of times, you've done it, and you don't particularly need to do it every time you come here. Yeah, and I think it'll be like that.
Yeah.
But for now, it's a good addition to the park. It's There are lots of throwbacks to Black Mirror in there. Even like the staff have got like the little things on their head that you get in the actual series that featured in a few episodes, I think. So yeah, it kind of throws back to Black Mirror, but it's a little bit more on the sci-fi side and less on the sort of dark side that you get from the actual TV series, obviously because it's a family-friendly maze.
We're just trying to decide what to do now because half of the park is down. There's been a power cut in the Chertsey area, so half of the rides are not running, and then the ones that are, I've got massive queues now because obviously everybody's gone to them.
They're going to get bigger.
Yeah.
Nemesis Inferno is on 70.
Yeah.
So I mean that's just going to get worse.
And like even the cash machines are down and the food outlets they're down as well.
This entire side of the park,
Yeah.
by like Colossus and Saw and everything, is just completely down. So,
Yeah.
yeah, we're just going to wait it out for a bit, see if everything comes back on, and if not, maybe call it a day.
Yeah.
It's not gone well.
No, it hasn't.
So here we are in the car. That has got to be one of the most unsuccessful trips we've ever had to Thorpe.
Definitely.
We waited around a bit. We sort of hung around Rush because we hoped that the power might come back on and that things might start up, but it hasn't yet. And the other queues are absolutely astronomical now, and so it's just not worth it. We could end up standing around for an hour or two, couldn't we?
Yeah,
before it comes back on.
We waited just over half an hour, didn't we?
Yeah.
See if it came back on.
But the power's still off, so it's not worth it. But anyway, Black Mirror was fun. It was good to get down here. It's not long till we come back to Thorpe anyway, so not all love is lost. And next week we are going to Alton Towers. We're going to be checking out Gangster Granny, and we'll be also checking out the Mardi Gras event that's on, which I'm very excited for. Are you excited?
Yeah, I am. It looks very good.
Good times. So subscribe if you want to see that. Subscribe if you enjoy theme park content, because we post loads, as well as zoo content and other attractions. Like this video if you've enjoyed it. Drop us a comment, and we'll see you next time we do stuff. Black. Oh my God.